I have just had fail after fail. Oh yeah, and the black one. And oh yeah, the mini black one too. They all just explode no matter what I do. They have all failed. But that stops today. Behold the newest rocket, Specco 3. Honestly, I don't even know why I named it that, but it just sounds good. First off, as you can see, we can't just load this baby up with a bunch of matches. We have to like get it, you know, prepared so it doesn't just absolutely implode. So I'm just using a little sheet of paper on the inside of the rocket currently. This kind of makes it so the match heads, when they do ignite, they don't melt straight to the actual case. This is tinfoil, aka heat shield, will protect future space bug. It's no biggie. The last thing to do is just add in match heads, and then we can just light this little match candle and hope that it doesn't explode. At this point, it's pretty much ready to go. I just gotta find a little fuse thing, stick it up in the bottom, ignite it outside, and if all goes well, it will not explode, hopefully. I have no faith. Long story short, the capsule blew off, so yeah, I screwed it back on, and let's try and launch this thing again.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So, yeah, that failed badly. Not just like a little bit badly either, but like the thing just exploded. Like the actual body just completely imploded on me. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. Yeah. But I'm going to attempt to build a second rocket. So let's see, how that goes.
Three, two, one.
So clearly, as you could see, the rocket took off the ground. Might be because I didn't put as many match heads in it, so it wouldn't just absolutely explode. And, you know, it's okay, it doesn't matter, because it launched. It made it like 3 inches off of the ground. I'll take it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next video, I'm gonna probably be working on a launch pad that doesn't implode. As you saw today, it was a bit much. That was a historic launch pad. Launched so many rockets off of it until today. It's gone. But I'll see you guys on the next one. I hope you enjoyed. Peace.